Hi friends, I'm Aarti. Welcome to my channel Gazzlingdiva. Today I've come up with an unboxing video. Recently I purchased saree from an Instagram page Gulabo by Invogue Nari, and it offers a huge variety of ethnic wear, be it lehenga choli, be it saree, be it ethnic jewelry. There are so many things on one page, so it's just like a one-stop shop, and I was totally mesmerized by looking everything. It's just awesome. And if you're in love with sarees, you should definitely go and visit that page. There are sarees in each and every material, be it a tissue, be it linen, cotton, be it silk, be it handloom cotton. There are so many sarees over there. You can go if you are in love with chanderi, if you like bandage. Everything is over there on one page. So without further ado, let's start. So this is a packet in which I received the saree, and let's start unboxing. See, this is a saree and it's in a combination of purple and firozi, and this is the pallu of the saree. Its material is very soft. It's a soft cotton. See, there are dots, embroidered dots on this, and there are stripes. It has a beautiful tassels on the pallu, which are looking very pretty. See, there are in different colors, firozi and red. So it's looking awesome, and I'm in love with all this kind of ethnic things. And see all over saree it's like this. So there is this temple work kind of embroidered pattern, and there are dots in the saree, so which is looking very beautiful. See, it's looking nice. So by touching its fabric, I can say it's easy to manage and easy to carry. So otherwise cotton sarees are not easy to manage. You have to take care or special care of cotton sarees, but this is easy to wear and you can manage it properly, and whole day you can wear this saree. So it can be a perfect work wear and a perfect daily wear saree. It has a matching blouse with it. See, it's a firozi colored blouse, and this is the saree. It cost me around rupees 1250. So from my side, it's a perfect buy. That's all by my side in this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. For details and links, please check the description box given below. For latest fashion update, turn on the notification bell, and do follow me on Instagram for more fashion updates. Bye for now. Keep growing, keep glowing. See you soon.